Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix server upgrading. Please try again. So guys, when you try to go live on TikTok and seeing the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page. Now first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, make sure that you're properly connected with internet. So just simply have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn this off, and after some seconds try to check if it's working or not. If it's not working, scroll it down, then tap on general. Also make sure that your device is up to date. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to offload the app and then reinstall it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply you have to search for down detector. Now from here guys, just simply you have to check for the server. Just simply you have to tap on first one and just simply you have to search for TikTok. Now after that guys, just simply you have to make sure that if TikTok server is not on. So guys, if TikTok server is on at that time, then it means you have to wait some hours, and after that your problem automatically will be fixed. If TikTok server is not on, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now after that you have to open the settings again, then scroll it down, then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. From here you have to reset the network setting and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, tap and hold the TikTok app and just simply you have to remove the app from your phone and just simply reinstall it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.